Hi, this is Lisa from Pressure Crisp, and today we're going to be making some hot dogs in the Ninja Foodi. So what we're going to do, make sure your pan is in. You're going to have the rack. You're going to make sure it's up on the highest, like that. Not like this. It's going to go like this. And you're going to close the lid. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to go to bake roast. We're going to go all the way up to 400. We're going to set our time. I'm just going to set it for 10 minutes because we're going to preheat for 5 minutes and just hit start. So while that's warming up, we're going to go over to the hot dogs. Alright, basically what we're going to do, we're just going to take a knife, you can put them together like this, and you're just going to put some shallow cuts in them. And that's all you're going to do. You're just going to wait for it to warm up and we'll pop them on. Okay, it's been preheating for 5 minutes. We're going to open the lid. We're just going to take the dogs and put them on. There we go. We're going to close the lid and cook for 5 to 6 more minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. We're going to raise the lid. Oh, and look at those. Beautiful. So we're just going to take these off. We're going to put them on a plate. And we're going to take our buns. And we're just going to heat them at the same temperature for probably a minute. Now you can put butter on the buns, you can put mayonnaise on the bun if you want them more golden. So we're going to go ahead and close the lid. And we're just going to run it for 1 more minute. Okay, they're done, and look at that. Oh, nice and warm. So I'm going to plate these up and we're going to do a taste test. Okay, here they are. This is what they look like. We have dill relish, mustard and ketchup, and just mustard and ketchup on this one. So we're going to go ahead and do a taste test on these. Let's take this one. Very good. And these are perfect, quick, easy to make in the kitchen. And I'm going to make a few more of these, probably cook some hamburgers, and then we're heading back to the pool. Alright, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.